It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question 195. We have g function for x is greater than 1.5. The question is, what is the slope of tangent line to the curve g inverse at x equal 3? So let's start with the formula of the derivative of inverse function, especially g function. Okay, so here we have g inverse, and its derivative is given by 1 over g prime g inverse x, right? Okay, that's the formula. And we have to find the derivative at x equal 3, right? So we're going to substitute 3 here, 3 here. So first thing we have to do is we have to find the value of g inverse 3, this value right here, right? What is g of 3 when g function is given? G of 3 is asking us to find the value of y when x is equal to 3, right? So when x is equal to 3, it is asking to find the value of y. Is that right? What about g inverse 3? Inverse means x and y are switched, right? So this is asking when y is equal to 3, what is the value of x? That's what this value is about, right? So when y is 3, when this g of x is equal to 3, what is the value of x? So let's solve that equation to find the value of x. So we have over 2 minus x cubed plus 3, right? Okay, here we have 3 on the left hand side. On the right hand side, we have a 3. And we're going to multiply. Now this is a 0, right? So we're going to multiply by 2. So 0 is equal to x to the power of 4 minus 2x cubed, right? This is just a simple equation. So 0 is equal to, let's factor x minus 2, right? So x is 0 or 2, but this g function is defined for x is greater than 1.5, right? So x has to be equal to 2, right? And this x value right here is equal to g inverse of 3, right? So we have 1 over g prime, g inverse of 3, that's 2, right? Now we have to find g prime 2. Here, g of x is given by this function. Then g prime x is equal to, here, 4x cubed over 2 minus 3x squared. And the derivative of 3 is equal to 0, so we don't have to write it, right? So that's 2x cubed minus 3x squared. That's g prime of x, right? So g prime of 2, that's 2 times 2 cubed minus 3 times 2 squared is equal to 16 minus 12. So that is equal to 4, right? So our derivative of g inverse at x equal 3 is equal to 1 over 4.